am your Subnata ma'am, and today I welcome you all in our second term online classes. I hope you have followed our previous sessions classes also and you enjoy these e-learning courses at home. That in our second term classes we will provide you all the subjects and its contents, also including exercises through this video classes. So follow us in our YouTube channel that is linked as Gyan Public School. We always with you and we always help you through this video classes. So don't forget to follow us. Today we will do the next part of the grammar gear subject and chapter number 7, that is verb, and we will do the exercise from the book. And all of you please open your book page number 46 and take your notebook and pencil with you also. You can see here the exercises E, that is fill in the blanks with the past form of the verbs that was given in the brackets. In your book there are some options in the brackets. I did not write down all these options here because I want to write down directly in the blanks what is the correct one. So you can see the sentences in the book that the player fell down and dash in pain. Here in the book here is two words, that is scream and screamed. As we have to give an instruction, that is we have to fill in the blank with the past form. And as we know that past form, how do you understand? The word will ending in the letter D or ed. That is called regular verbs. So the regular form of the V2 form of that verbs is ending with D or ed. So here we have to write down the second one. The player fell down and screamed. S-C-R-E-A-M-E-D. Screamed in pain. So underline in your book and write down it in the blanks. Now go to the second sentence. We dashed the film yesterday. Here in the bracket there are two words, watch and watched. So basically it will be the second one, that is watched. W-A-T-C-H-E-D, watched. So we watched the film yesterday. Next in number 3, the watchman went into the house and filled the bucket with water. So we have to write down the second one, underline it and write down in the blanks, filled with the bucket with water. Number 4, I woke up late yesterday. I quickly brushed my teeth and got ready for school. So here it is also ending with the ed and we write down brushed, B-R-U-S-H-E-D. Write in the blanks. Next, number 5, we climbed the tree and picked all the guavas. So it is picked, P-I-C-K-E-D. So here we got all the past form of the verbs. So the first sentence tells us the player fell down and screamed in pain. All of you underline in the blanks, underline the correct options and then fill in the blanks, write down in the blanks. Next, number 2, we watched the film yesterday. It is watched, W-A-T-C-H-E-D. Watched the film yesterday. Number 3, the watchman went into the house and filled the bucket with water. Number 4, I woke up late yesterday. I quickly brushed my teeth and got ready for school. Now, question number 5, we climbed the tree and picked all the guavas. So here we got all the past form of the verb. Now we will do the exercise A. It is also in the fill in the blanks part. So as now in this part I am just telling you the format, how do we have to solve it. Here are some words, some sentences, and as it is we have to to do here, like that ending ed and change into the past form as we are doing here. So in exercise A, exercise, I have write down the answer only. You can write down the answer in your book where it is given. It is in the page number 47. It is in the page number 47. Exercise A was given that fill in the blanks with the verbs of as directed. Means here in the first number, in the number 1, it is done that Ravi and his friends walk to the fair in his town. Use the past form of walk. Here it is walk. It is already done and it is write down walk. W-A-L-K-E-D. Walk. So Ravi and his friends walk to the fair in his town. Next in question number 2, it is that he never likes to go anywhere without his friends. Both are done here because of your understanding that use the present form of like. So in the second sentences it is write down likes because it is V1 form, means present form, and in the first sentence it is have to indirect it, that we have to write down V2 form. Next in number 3, Ravi asks his mother for permission. Use the past form of ask. So we have to use the past form of asked and it is changed into asked. So write down asked in the blanks. That Ravi asked his mother for permission. Next in question number 4, it has given instructed that Ravi has a dog called Bilbo. It too dash along with him. It too walked. W-A-L-K-E-D. Walked. Because it is given instructed, we have to fill in the blank with the past form of the verb walk. So past form of the verb is walked. Next, Ravi and his friends dash to go on the merry-go-round. Use the past form of one. We have to use the V2 form, so it changes into wanted. As per your instructions, we are write down wanted. Next question number 6, that is the merry-go-round dash to go round and round. Use the past form of verb start. So start will be started. That is the past form of the verb. Next, go to the next page, page number 48. That is number 7. Bilbo dash at the wooden animals in the merry-go-round. Use the past form of bark. So past form of bark is bark. B-A-R-K-E-D. Bark. Next, number 8. They all dash enjoy. Use the past form of shout. It is shouted. S-H-O-U-T-E-D. Shouted. Write down V2 for your understanding. V2 means past form. Next, question number 9. They dash themselves. Use the past form of enjoy. Means everywhere you have to use the past form of the verb. Means enjoy. It will be enjoyed. E-N-J-O-Y-E-D. E-N-J-O-Y-E-D. Enjoyed. And then number 10. Number 10, it is they back home in the evening. Past form of the walk is walk. So all these everywhere we have to use the past form of the verb. Now you can see, if you go to the question number 8, you can find the first one is walk, second one is likes, third one is asked, fourth one is walked, fifth one is wanted, sixth one is started, seventh one is walked, eighth one is shouted, ninth one is enjoyed, 10th one is walked. So students, here we have learned lots of new for from grammar for that parts of speech verbs. Verbs tells us that how do we use that these action words in according to the time. So you must read your textbook properly, practice it regularly, and don't forget to complete your exercises in the book and also write both exercises after your reading in your notebook. So here everybody, you have follow that video, and I hope all of you follow our previous classes and doing all the exercises part in your notebook and book also. So keep study, practice regularly, don't forget to read, either you can forget. So please carry on it. Best of luck for your next class. Thank you.